this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to move photos to an SD card on your Android phone. So this is easy. You just swipe up from the bottom, go to search and type in Files. You can go to My Files or Files, doesn't really matter, both are pretty much the same. Then we can go back. So I can see my SD card on here. Perfect. I might want to go into here first and we can tap the three dots and we can go to Format and delete everything off there. And then we can create a new folder right here, and we can just name it like Photos or something like that. So once we clear everything out from there, we can start using this space on there. We can go to Images. If we hold down on here, we can go to All Images and copy over all the images. But I'm just going to do one image. Now you can see the images that are on your SD card right here because there will be a little symbol next to it. It's hard to see, but there's an SD card symbol. Then we can go to Copy or Move, depending if we want to move it. It's going to delete it from the phone, copy, and then move it to the SD card. If we go to Copy, it's going to leave a copy on your phone and make a copy on your SD card. Okay, so I'm going to move this to my SD card, find the location on my SD card, and then copy here. Three more times. Alright, I'm going to get this. Okay? And it looks like it's already on there, so I can replace it or skip it, doesn't matter. So I just moved my image over there. You can do the same thing with your videos, your audio files, documents, or downloads or installation files. So we can go in here now and we can go to DCIM. This is where I copied it over to. And I think it was like this picture, this wonderful collage. So if you want to save the pictures to your SD card, go to your camera option. Now my Samsung, I have this little box right here, but just bring up Settings. So here's Settings. Then we can go on down. And we have a location, save locations. It should be on here somewhere. It's usually somewhere near the bottom. Storage locations. We can switch this on over from our internal storage to save our pictures to the SD card. Then you don't need to copy them over in the future. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.